Non-negotiable para kina Kylene Alcantara at Kobe Paras ang quality time sa gitna ng pagiging busy sa kani-kanilang showbiz commitments and projects. Couple goals nga raw ang dalawa para sa fans. Kaya ang isa sa kanilang mga tagahanga nagpa-tattoo na dedicated sa kanila. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Dahil magkaiba ng field of work, very happy si Sparkle star Kylene Alcantara at basketball star boyfriend na si Kobe Paras tuwing magkakasama sila sa trabaho. Tulad ng isang launching event na pinangunahan nila kagabi. Naging extra special pa ang event para kina Kylene at Kobe dahil nakilala nila ang elderly fan na nagpatattoo dedicated para sa kanila.
Gulat nga ako, sabi niya, Kobe, tignan mo. Sabi ko, ay, ang ganda ng henna. Ah, hindi, totoo yan.
Basketball.
So cute.
And then sunflower, and then make K2. That means Kobe and Kylene.
Nung una, parang ayoko dahil sabi nila masakit daw magpatato. Pero pag mahal mo ang isang tao, walang masakit. Ganon ko sila kamahal.
Busy ngayon si Kylene sa showbiz commitments at sa pinaghahandaang drama series, habang si Kobe abala sa bubuksang negosyong bar and resto. Soon ay babalik na rin daw siya sa paglalaro ng basketball.
I know a lot of people have been wondering where I've been. I've been enjoying my life. I've been finding myself. I've been trying to find who Kobe Paras is, and I think now I have a better picture of who he is, and hopefully people can see me on the basketball court soon.
Very supportive dyan si Kylene.
Ang saya-saya ko sinabi niya yun! That's his first love. And will forever be his love. I will always be here to support him.
Si Kobe full support din syempre sa acting career ni Kylene. Pati na sa goal na makapagpatayo ng bahay this year.
Well, my parents and my brother, they've been in the limelight for a while, so I'm pretty much used to it. But it's different because, you know, she's a special one. I'll always be here. She's amazing at what she does, and she's truly beautiful inside, and, you know, there's more blessings to come for her.
Pero kahit busy sa kanya-kanyang ganap sa buhay, di raw mawawala ang time nila together.
So when we do have the time, we try hard. It's hard sometimes, but we try to go out and work out.
Actually, I don't need a coach kasi siya na yung coach ko. Yung trainer ko.
Aubrey Carampel, updated sa showbiz happenings.